Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell digital wallpaper on Etsy. First, identify a profitable niche by researching current trends and popular aesthetics. Consider creating unique bundles or themed collections to stand out. Look for underserved markets or specific design styles that resonate with a broad audience. This initial step is crucial for building a successful and sustainable digital product business on the platform. Next, focus on designing your digital wallpaper. Create high-resolution images, typically 300 dpi or higher, to ensure crisp quality. Make sure your designs are compatible with various screen sizes and aspect ratios, such as 16:9 for desktops or 9:16 for mobile phones. Utilize professional design software like Adobe Photoshop, Procreate, or even user-friendly tools like Canva to bring your creative visions to life effectively. Now, let's set up your Etsy shop and create compelling listings. Optimize your shop name and sections with relevant keywords to improve searchability. Write detailed product titles and descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your digital wallpaper. Upload clear, attractive mock-up images that showcase your designs in various settings, helping potential customers visualize how they will look on their devices. This step is key to attracting buyers. Finally, market and promote your digital wallpaper to reach a wider audience. Utilize Etsy, add strategically and leverage social media platforms like Pinterest and Instagram to display your beautiful designs. Consider offering introductory promotions or discounts to attract new customers and encourage initial sales. Actively seek and respond to customer reviews, as positive feedback builds trust and credibility, driving more traffic and sales to your growing shop.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.